there is a disappointment, but the way these Nagaland tribes showing solidarity with those got killed in unfortunate incident, that is one of the things I really liked it.
I will also join the Nagaland tribal people to mourn with them.
I'm really appreciative about the unity. Like 6-7 tribes backed out. Like it's a way for you guys to make some money these 10 days, but still the unity what you guys show towards each other's tribe, the respect you have is hats off to it.
Government has to improve the transportation. So if the transportation is improved, means more people, more tourists will be coming, and government should advertise it a lot. Because
do you feel safe in Nagaland?
Yes, it is very safe place. But the media, the mainstream media has been telling that there are so many terrorists, everybody is shooting with each other, so many bomb blasts. But it's nothing like that. It is a very peaceful place. People are very friendly, very relaxed. So I like this place.
So it makes us promise to come back someday again. Thank you.
Okay. Hi, I'm Pragna. I came from Bangalore to attend Hornbill Festival. So I came here on the 4th, on Sunday. And then it was a nice experience, like walking through and all the tribes. Then I saw some tribes shut. I was wondering why. And the Konyak tribe, they actually put informative boards about what is 1958 AFSPA Act and everything. Then I googled it, like what happened, because I'm not a very updated person. So I googled what happened, and then innocent people just killed so brutally, and you can mistake identity of 1 or 2, but not of 14 or 15 people, and we still don't know the number. Whatever the paper says is the truth, we think. So that was really disappointing, and in spite of it, all the people here still hosted us, gave us food. Like it was really a very heartwarming experience. This morning also I just went to a place and like kuch khane ko milega, and they actually made fresh food for us, and Nagas are so welcoming, and this is my first time in Nagaland, and it's such a beautiful place. The vegetation is quite similar to what I could see banana trees in so many places, and I cannot believe what has happened. It's very disappointing, but also I'm really appreciative about the unity. Like 6-7 tribes backed out. Like it's a way for you guys to make some money these 10 days, but still the unity what you guys show towards each other's tribe, the respect you have is hats off to it. And I'm really supportive of this. As an individual, maybe I'll not do much, but I can understand. It's very, very, very heartbreaking.
My name is Mohammad Rafiq. I have come from Chennai just to see this Hornbill Festival, but today unfortunately it has been called off, so it is really disappointing. Only for this festival we have come all the way from Chennai, but for the last 4-3 days I have seen so many cultural events which have inspired me very much, and also the cultural diversity of these people. And there are so many tribes. They have their own language, their own traditional dress, traditional food. Everything is different from each other. Hence, I very much like this festival. Hope I would be back next year to visit this festival from day 1 to day 10. But this time it has been called off due to this unfortunate event in the Mon district. Okay. People are very, they have shown me very hospitality. I like the people. They are very simple, they are very relaxed and very much friendly with me. So I like these people, I like this culture. I like the food also. I tried pork ahone yesterday. It was very delicious. So most probably next year I will come back here.
Do you feel safe in Nagaland?
Yes, it is very safe place. But the media, the mainstream media has been telling that there are so many terrorists, everybody is shooting with each other, so many bomb blasts. But it's nothing like that. It is a very peaceful place. People are very friendly, very relaxed. So I like this place. It's a very safe place.
Thank you for visiting Hornbill Festival.
Welcome. Thank you.
So myself, Peter David. I'm from Kerala, but I'm working in Jamshedpur. I came as in my own bike, solo ride करते. Okay, then I came 2 days back. Event was all cancelled, but it was sad for me. But it's okay. I thought due to the mishap, I think I will also join the Nagaland tribal people to mourn with them.
I am Arini Ghosh. I am from West Bengal. I just came actually for Hornbill Festival this time. This is my first visit to Nagaland. I came yesterday and I got stuck in Dimapur because there was curfew or something is going on. The car was not moving and everything. So I came to this festival today only here, Kisama village.
What is your response on the cancellation of the festival?
So I was hoping that it might get cancelled because what actually happened, that is really we never thought like it's gonna be happen. It's very sad thing and we are really very sad about it, that like, and shocked, mostly shocked, like how can someone kill just for no reason for 14 people. Even one people killing for no reason is a huge thing. And yeah, I am very sad that this thing happened. More than this festival is cancelled, festival can happen again. But whatever it has happened with the people, that should not be happen again.
Would you like to come back, or this might be your last?
No, obviously I love to come back because the moment I enter, I just love the state and I love the hospitality. So obviously I was already planning, like I actually do some work in Meghalaya, so I can anytime can come. So I'm planning like, okay, next time I will come in maybe next month or so, obviously.
When are you leaving?
So I am actually from West Bengal and I do some work in Northeast. Yeah, so here and there in Northeast.
From Bangalore, from Karnataka. So if you ask me, I'm pleasantly surprised. It's very fascinating for me. There are small populations of 2 lakh, 3 lakh populations of tribal people has such a rich culture, where I never seen that kind of a rich culture here, and moreover, these all tribal people which I interacted in my limited time are very humble, very generous, and very forthcoming to tell their story, and they are so forward-looking people and very, very energetic. I just love this aroma of that culture. And Nagaland, it's always a fascinating story for me to visit here. This is my first visit to Nagaland, first visit to Manipur, which I came from. Okay, and I'm definitely excited to learn, new things in my life. Okay. Yeah, it's a very, very unfortunate, unfortunate thing to happen. I know there is there is an incident which has happened there, which is very, very condemnable. Okay, but yeah, we all came here to really see the cultural aspect of each and every tribe. Okay, we respect their feelings, we respect their decisions. Having said that, when we explore these huts, which are all different tribes, we will still carry to our cities with rich experience. We definitely going to miss this, the cultural activity there. Yes, I would definitely like to come back next year and really experience this one more time. That's my take on. If at all anybody wants to visit Nagaland, please do visit. It's a fascinating state, lot of things to learn. Thank you.
What is your good name?
My name is Naveen Mulgun from Bangalore. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Ashish, and
I'm
this is my wife,
Anuradha.
Anuradha.
We've come from New Delhi, and the high point of our northeast travel was to be this particular festival, the Hornbill Festival. We've heard so much about it and have been really looking forward. But rather unfortunate turn of events on the 4th of December. We arrived here on the 5th. There was a lot of gaiety around, and suddenly, a real pall of gloom descended on the entire festival here.
On
And
5th, our
feel
flight, we were coming from Imphal. Our flight from Imphal was cancelled.
and they told us they'll bring us here on 6th, but we were so keen to arrive. We hired a vehicle and we drove from Imphal here, came in the afternoon, saw a bit of the festival. Whatever we saw was absolutely exactly true to what we had heard earlier and read earlier. What has happened is so unfortunate. Yesterday we tried to make the best of the circumstances. We went to your Jotsoma Eco Point, which is on the top, Kulivadze. We had some Angami food there and it was good, but this is the high point. So it makes us promise to come back someday again. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Lakshmi Shah. I'm a PhD researcher. I came from Delhi some 4 days back. Basically, I came here for my research work. I'm working on a crop called as job steers, which is only grown in Northeast India. Since I came here, I loved the festival a lot. Like during the initial days, there was this was filled with fun. Everywhere they were all like very much people were there, and there were all like many cultural festivals. But it's very unfortunate that the thing has happened. So unfortunately, government and the people are shutting it down, and whatever may be the cause, we have to stand with the solidarity with the things which has happened. So it is so unfortunate, and I was thinking of to be here till 10th and 11th till the festival is over. Since government has announced like they'll stopping it today, so we have to go with a heavy heart. We have to go back with a heavy heart. So for the people, if someone is seeing from southern part of India or the northern India, somewhere else, please don't mind coming here. Please do, you people, please do come here. This is a very beautiful festival. Please increase the tourism and come here and see the culture. These people are so welcoming, and people are like hardly, they are all very good, and they are all so welcoming, and they are all like they welcomed us with in a very nice manner. So I totally enjoyed the festival for some 2-3 days, and things has changed from now. Okay, but still I loved the festival. Next time I will definitely come for sure.
Is there any feedback you'd like to give regarding this Kisama Arena, or I mean as a tourist? Something that you don't like, or
as a tourist, I feel like government has to improve the transportation facilities here. Only thing is that here it is somewhat lacking. Tourists who are coming from the outside, they feel like for going 10 kilometers means we have to pay some 200-300 rupees, means people feels like that as an expensive. So government has to improve the transportation. So if the transportation is improved, means more people, more tourists will be coming, and government should advertise it a lot, because not many people know about this festival still. So government has to look off these two things so that this festivals would be more successful.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. My name is Shivani. I'm from Bangalore. So we had come all the way here to Nagaland to see the Hornbill Festival. However, it was a little disappointing because today we got to know that it has been called off. So yeah, quite disappointed, to be honest. And so we are just trying to explore around, see the huts, and trust me, it's so beautiful to see their culture over here, to see their cultural stuff, to see their handicrafts, and even the huts that they have prepared. So I mean, it would have been really good to see their dances and also their cultural events, which generally takes place over here during the Hornbill Festival. However, bad luck, we couldn't see that. So we reached yesterday, but then I think we have to come next year to catch this festival again. Yeah, thank you.
Can I start? Hi guys, my name is Gautam Baliga. I'm basically from Mangalore. So I came for this backpacking trip with Ion Hills. We had been to Loktak Lake for 3 days. So yesterday only we came from Manipur all the way to Kigwama. So we stayed in Dawn Homestay, and we specially came for the Hornbill Festival and Zoko Valley Trek. So unfortunately 14 locals Nagaland from one of the tribes from one district got killed by Indian militants, Indian army. So unfortunately, Hornbill Festival got called off. It's okay, but from coming from Bangalore all the way to Nagaland itself been a big achievement for us, because it is very far. All the way from Bangalore means we have to catch 2 to 3 flights and see how Nagaland tribes perform at Hornbill Festival Arena. Those things are one of the memories to remember forever in our life. So yes, there is a disappointment, but the way these Nagaland tribes showing solidarity with those got killed in unfortunate incident, that is one of the things I really liked it, because that is the currently Nagaland is in a sad state of Nagaland state itself on a sad state of mind. So at that point, during this situation, they should not celebrate actually, but yes, because it depend upon looking at the tourist and all those things. Yes, somewhat they called off. It's unfortunate, but I am very happy to be here, and coming to Nagaland itself big achievement for me, and thanks for giving me an opportunity to share my thoughts with you guys. Thank you.
Do you feel safe in Nagaland?
Do you feel? Yeah, I'm I'm feeling very safe here. The way people, all the way the news channels, media showing, it is not like that. Nagaland is very safe, and I invite all the travelers, if you have an opportunity, if you have time, if you have money, if you get leaves from your workspace, definitely try to come to Nagaland. Nagaland, just not only South Nagaland, you can go to anywhere. Nagaland is a very huge state, I guess. Looking at the map, I felt. So I invite everyone. You should be come to Nagaland once in your life. If time comes, definitely you should explore these places. Yeah, people are very warm and very kind, and they are when it comes to the hospitality, I really liked both Manipur and Nagaland, and not only Manipur, Nagaland, Tripura, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, all these states are really nice places. Even Meghalaya, all these places are nice. All these states are very nice places to explore, and because greenery is there and mountains are there, waterfalls, and to know about the different kind of Nagaland tribes, and moreover the culture that Nagaland having, or any other states of northeast. So you should come and explore once in your life. Yes, travelers comes many times, but at least try once, and welcome to the Nagaland. Thank you.